What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a trade recap from Thursday. Starting off, I did trade pre-market this day. So I basically wanted to see these relative equal highs get taken out. Also, when we did end up taking them out, we created an SMT with ES. So I was just really bearish taking it down to this data wick low due to 8:30 news that we had. So yeah. So here's 8:30. We had this beautiful candle, this data wick. So at this point, I'm just looking for some type of inversion to take. So we did end up creating a 2-minute inverse fair value gap, and once we got that close, I did enter. As you can see, I entered in there, and then I went break even at this 2 and 3-minute fair value gap, and I'll show you guys how this played out. This was pre-market, so I took this around 8:30 after the news. Targeting the data wick, hit that perfectly. TP hit. This short did end up playing out like 900 points. This was shorts were the play of the day, I suppose. I did want to see this internal low get hit, but I just took my piece of the pie instead of targeting all the way down here. I just took it right here, but again, you could have held for that internal low. Also, just didn't want to hold it at 9:30. So I'm waiting for this internal low to get hit to take my main setup. As you can see, 9:30 opens up, comes out, takes it out. Now I'm looking for an inversion to take up to this data wick high. We had this 1-minute fair value gap. I did not take this first entry just because we had this 2-minute right above it, and I'd basically have to go break even super quick. So what I waited for is a little more information. And if you guys are always hesitant on taking a trade, just wait for a couple candles to close and then see if you like structure and everything. So look what happened. I didn't take it and we literally ended up not even inversing it. So yeah, exactly. Look at this candle down. But we did get a candle back up and we did end up inversing it. There you go. We got that inverse. So now I set a limit order right here to get filled, and what does price do? Tap me in, and then I'll basically show you guys how it played out. On one of my accounts, I did take a 1 to 2, and it hit TP. On another one of my accounts, I did target this data wick high, which we never ended up fully hitting. We were like 24, yeah, like 23, 24 points away from hitting this data wick high. Did get break even on one of the accounts, which was pretty brutal, but all good. My bias and discretion was correct on the day, which is all I'm happy about because of this brutal losing streak I've been on. So having a day like this was really nice. And yeah, these are the two trades I took today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.